Hurley. I'm the Managing Director of the Career College. Welcome to Graduate Chat. Welcome all school leavers, university students, students who are perhaps still at university, and also student graduates. I would also like to welcome young adults who may be attending Graduate Chat today. And of course, let's not forget the mature graduates. I myself was a mature university student and returned to university after spending some time in the workforce. Today's session, we're going to be chatting about psychometric assessment, sometimes known as career testing. So psychometric assessment is a way that you can work out which career is best for you. It's a scientific way where we actually test a group of people who are successful in a particular career. Now, when they test them, they test for their intelligence level, their numerical and verbal reasoning, also which career preferences they have, also how they may be as far as their decision making and management styles are concerned, and also if they have the correct personality that matches the test. What they do is they measure and test a number of group of people, and these are psychologists that do this. The foundation of this was in the army, testing who were the best people to put in which position, who were going to be the best leaders. That's where this all started. And of course, the corporate sector and the commercial sector have since taken that on, and the army and the services still do this. With psychometric testing, what you want to be sure of is that you are using a valid test and a reliable test. A valid test means that it is valid. It means that it is actually testing what it's saying it's testing. And reliability means that if you get tested now, then you will be a similar test result in the future. And it won't change. Sometimes it can change if you're going through a dramatic life circumstances, such as a death in the family. However, generally speaking, you have a certain profile, and that profile suits a certain personality. So why would you want to use psychometric testing? Psychometric testing is a way that you can find out about careers that you might not have heard about. It also gives you an insight into yourself, into your strengths, and also, I don't like to call them weaknesses, but your areas for improvement. An example for myself is that I really enjoy working with people. And of course, I've chosen a career that involves working with people. However, before I knew this, I actually did some jobs which were behind the scenes and a number crunching or in front of a computer type job, which is not necessarily something that I like to do all day, every day. The other thing is that you can use psychometric testing for recruitment. So recruiters may use some psychometric testing. If a recruiter uses psychometric testing, they're using a recruitment process, which is called a multiple hurdle approach, which means that you may be required to do psychometric testing as part of the recruitment process. That may sound a little bit scary, but not so. Coming to a career coach and using psychometric assessment will give you an insight into what to expect. They're tested online, and also they are timed. There's only a certain amount of time to complete the tests. If you're doing psychometric testing in the recruitment process, you may be required to go to sorry, my phone's ringing, so I'll just turn that down. You may be required to go to a psychometric testing centre where you will be tested along with a group of other people. All the while, there's no pass or fail. There's nothing to be concerned about. You are who you are, and in actual fact, it may support you in getting a job that you will, or it will definitely support you in getting a job that you're better suited for. The other way psychometric assessment can be used is in team building. You want different sorts of people in a team so that you have a variety of strengths in your team, and management often use this as let's have a chat about the different people in our team and what are their strengths. It can be used for internal promotions if the person is promoting somebody internally to find out who's best for the internal promotion. And also you may find that your manager uses psychometric assessment for performance review. As career coaches, we're professional recruiters as well. We use psychometric testing to support you in finding out which is the best career for you. We even have a test that says which career for me. And what that means is that you can come, be tested, and then have a discussion around which career is best suited for you. Over 40% of jobs are predicted to disappear in the next few years. And also, a lot of jobs are taken over and changing. Even though they may have a similar title, they are changing. So this is a scientific way to find out a little bit more about yourself. It's non-confronting and it's actually very enlightening. The more you know yourself, the better off you'll be, because the better you will have a better chance of choosing a career that's suited for you. So psychometric testing is an easy way that you can find out more about who you are, which career is best for you. And also throughout your career, you may find that you have it when you're going for different jobs or in a team building environment. There are different tests available. Some of them are more scientific than others. So be sure that you actually go to a reputable organisation to get your psychometric testing done. Thank you for listening. That's our graduate chat for today, and look forward to supporting you with your career. Remember, tonight we have Monday Mindset for young adults. That's a 1-hour live coaching session where you can ask me any questions that you have around career choices, psychometric testing, of course, interview techniques, interview strategies, job search strategies, anything around your career, how to handle difficult workplace relationships, how to get your next promotion, how best to present your resume, how to discover the job and hidden job market, anything that you want to know around recruitment and careers. So welcome everybody who joined us today. Be lovely if you can drop a note down. If you've got any questions, please ask them. And also we look forward to seeing you tonight as well. That's all for us for Graduate Chat. Best wishes everybody with your career, and remember, it is possible to create the life you dream.